Oh my gosh. Hi everyone. Are we live? Let me refresh this that I'm seeing right now. Good evening everyone. You're hearing me, no? Diba ako? Okay. Good evening. Hi. Hi. I hear. Hello everyone. Good evening sa inyong lahat. Happy Thursday. It's January 2 and it's the second day of the year 2025. Grabe bilis ng panahon. And welcome to another live session here in the Amazed Nation page. If you're watching from YouTube, Facebook, or from other pages, no, for coaches, no, kay Coach Ava, Coach Lush, hello everyone. Happy New Year, and I would like to say hi to everyone watching right now and invite you to subscribe and like this page wherever you are watching us from. And if you are interested in learning how to sell on Amazon, ayan, we are every Thursday 10 p.m. Philippine time. And if you have any questions, you can just comment them below, no? And we will read them on air and answer them live. So if you're still if you're just new in our channel or in this ayan, follow us, no? Every Thursday 10 p.m. we are doing this live. And I think, no, this animation page, there's a coach that goes on live and answers your questions live as well. And Thursday ngayon, and it's time for this topic, which is the reselling. Amazon. So in e-commerce, and specifically in Amazon, you can be a freelancer, like a virtual assistant, or you can also be a seller yourself. So yes, it is very possible for Filipinos to sell on Amazon US, and that's what we are sharing with everyone, no? And this Saturday, every once in a while, no, we have free webinars, so you can also join our webinar on Saturday. That's gonna be at 8 p.m. Medyo ganito din yung feels. Yeah, it will be a Zoom. And if you have not registered yet, go to amazenation.com and makikita nyo na agad yung header doon, mag-register doon. And it's going to be this Saturday, again, January 4 at 8 p.m. Philippine time. And kahit nasan ka pa mang sulok ng mundo, most likely you are allowed by Amazon to sell on Amazon. And actually, when you register for an Amazon US, almost automatically they will open the Canada and Mexico marketplaces as well. Being nasa isang region, no, North America region, and there are various marketplaces in the world. And one of our frequently asked questions na nalulustig namin would be, can I apply this kind of business model in other marketplaces? Because we focus on Amazon US, which is my biggest marketplace. And the answer is yes. So technically, no, yung mga almost the same, almost ma-apply mo pa rin yung mga techniques, ganyan. But probably you'll have a different set of criteria, or may certain nuances, no, that you need to tweak para ma-apply sa marketplace na gusto niyo. And it's very common for people who are in the UK or maybe in Australia, you know, or in Japan, ayan, wanting to do, or yung sa Middle East, I guess merong UAE na, UAE, Amazon. So, some people would ask, can we apply the same techniques or the same teachings in the marketplace that they are interested to sell in? And the answer is yes. Okay, so yan, do you have any other questions? Wala ba? Ayan. So, let me start this live session by answering one question that frequently comes up as well. No, yung iba napapaisip, do they want online arbitrage or wholesale? So, I would like to start by saying na parehong models are newbie friendly. We have students in our program, which is the Dollar Profit Mastery and the Wholesale Profit Accelerator, na very new sa e-commerce, and yet they are thriving. No? They are able to look for products and eventually sell on Amazon successfully. So, it's very newbie friendly. Pareho silang newbie friendly. And I guess the fact that you won't have to start a brand or a product from scratch is a huge advantage of these business models. You don't have to build your brand from the ground up. Essentially, you already have a brand. You already have a branded product that you can resell on Amazon for a profit. So you just have to acquire some stocks, of these branded products. And since branded na nga sila, there are already people buying this exact same products, and you just have to add your offer sa Amazon, and then once people see your product, then they will just buy it from you. And these are listings, products na other sellers would also list on. Minsan isang product kay Amazon may mga 3, 5, 10 or more sellers, and yet they get sales, and probably different conditions or varying speed, especially speed, kung gaano nila nasa-sell yung products, but that would depend on different factors pero automatic na yun. Once your products that are already branded are in Amazon warehouses, bahala na si Amazon doon. And that's the beauty of Fulfilled by Amazon, which is a kind of distribution model na yung product mo nasa warehouse ni Amazon, and you are just navigating through your dashboard, your seller central account that na minamanage mo as a seller. So, mas madali din yung listing for the kinds of products kasi nakalist na siya kay Amazon. Hindi ka na magkukuha ng picture or magsusulat ng title, ng bullet points, some product description. Hindi mo na siya gagawin for reselling models like arbitrage and the traditional wholesale. So, for these models, mas maba yung requirement since hindi ka na nga kailangan mag-marketing. Yan yung isa titipid mo if you opt for online arbitrage and wholesale. Hindi ka na masyado mag-marketing. But for online arbitrage, definitely hindi. But for wholesale, you may want to do some advertising, and depends sa magiging type of wholesale. But the very basic wholesale, traditional, you could go on opening accounts from distributors na may contact na sa brand, and then these distributors would be able to supply you with the inventory that you need to sell on Amazon. And yes, there are products na kahit gaano kabenta, minsan kulang pa rin yung sa Amazon kasi nga siya mabenta. And then yun yung mga tinitignan natin, products that need demand, not demand. Meron ng demand pero kailangan ma-fulfill yung gap na yun. So, dahil nga hindi ka na magsisa ng own brand mo in the online arbitrage or wholesale business models, be friendly naman sila. It doesn't require very high-tech skills, if you are able to watch this on a computer doing, Facebook or YouTube, then, yan. And kung nakapag-online shopping ka, yan medyo parang very familiar na activity because all we have to do is to order online. Whether online arbitrage or wholesale yan, online lang yung transactions, and that makes selling on Amazon very feasible even for non-US residents. And even for the wholesale stuff, wherein you may need some US business documents to submit to the distributors for them to open an account with you. So, online lang din. No, online din lang lahat. And it's very possible to sell in the US, have a business in the US, even if you're a Filipino, even if you're not a US resident. So, dahil doon, ayan, if you choose to, if you're interested in selling on Amazon via the reselling method, no, reselling business model, whether online arbitrage or wholesale, I guess it would also depend on your capital. So, the online arbitrage business model will require kahit 15,000 pesos, you would be able to start it. And maliit lang yon considering na your 15,000 pesos, possible, no, kung magtatayo ka ng business dito sa Philippines, hindi pa siya enough. Hindi ko lang alam, no, kung gaano, baka rent pa lang yun, di ba? Ayan, baka rent pa lang yun. But in our case, if you're selling in Amazon, of course, there would be fees sa Amazon. Pero lahat ng yun, account mo na when you're choosing for products to sell, no? So, that's the capital for online arbitrage. So, typically, mas mataas sa wholesale because sa wholesale, mas malaki yung capital. $2,000, although yung $2,000 pwede mang hindi siya isahan, no, isang bagsakan. But the one difference would be yung business entity mo, you would need an LLC or a liability company. You will need an employer identification number from the IRS. IRS is like IR in the Philippines. Yun yung counterpart nila. So the IRS issues the EIN, and then you also need a resale certificate. A resale certificate will actually allow you to skip paying yung sales tax sa supplier mo. And dahil hindi ikaw ang end user ng products, no, yung products na bibilihin mo ay for resale talaga. And the US, yung mga end users yung nagbabayad ng sales tax. So that's basically a tax na hindi mo na kailangan bayaran kung ikaw ay may resale certificate from your supplier. Anyway, yung mga ganong mga bagay ay si Amazon naman nag-handle. Actually, lahat ng payment, no, ng customer side ni Amazon, si Amazon yung mag-handle. So, yun, that makes it easier for people to sell on Amazon na naka-FBA model and even if FBM. Of course, we pay to Amazon mga fees, ganyan. But those are all included in the calculations of your profit. So, $2,000 may initial batches of stocks ka na. It really depends on the cost of your initial stocks then. But if you have $2,000, then it would be, a good enough margin for you to start wholesale. Dahil nga, kapag sinabi natin wholesale, di ba? You're buying in bulk. So, hindi tulad ng online arbitrage wherein para kang nag-online shopping. Kahit isang unit yan, 2 units, 3 units, you could buy from the online stores and then have them shipped to, we are not actually going to ship directly from an online store to Amazon, ha? Ayan, we use a certain prep center. We use warehouses. Ayan. Later, we can delve into that topic, no, para mas ma-envision nyo how it is done and how to really ship products to Amazon. So sa wholesale, mas maramihan per case ang bilihan. Minsan, case of 6, case of 10, 5, I don't know, mas marami kumpara sa online arbitrage, mga case of 12, 24. So it really depends also on the supplier. Meron tayong tinatawag na minimum order quantity or MOQ. So some distributors would impose a certain MOQ in terms of number of units or minsan number of or total amount of the order. So, yan. So, typically, mas mataas yung requirement talaga with wholesale. And we have here a question kay Manel Bagso. Ay, hindi ko tayo na-activate dito yung chat natin. Baka may mga nagtatanong over sa YouTube. Manel. So, magkano po ang course sa wholesale? So, we have the wholesale profit accelerator, which is at 34,809. No, 54,897. And for those that already are students of the Dollar Profit Mastery, we give out discounts. And then for wholesale profit accelerator, it's at 54 1,897. Sana na-avail niyo. Obviously, no, hindi ba nakapag-avail si Manel. Yan. But last December, I don't know if it's still running. We have a promotion na nag-start noong December 12, which is the 12/12 sale. That if you input yung success ready, yan, one word na success ready sa coupon code when you try to sign up and avail of the course, you get 12% off. So, ayan. And then, if you want to learn more, no, about the deep flow of everything and from the requirements and how to source and other questions pa, baka hindi nyo pala ngayon na type, no, sa ating comment sections. Again, if you have any questions about Amazon reselling, feel free to type in the comment and we will answer them live. This Saturday, we have a free webinar. Yan. I'm inviting every one of you to attend 8 p.m. Manila time. So, just na lang going to Manila. And be via Zoom. Just register. No? Punta lang kayo sa amazenation.com and makikita nyo na, banner na ating website na amazenation.com. Yung click here now the button to register for that webinar. So it's going to be free. Ayan, wala man ad. But if you're, I just hope that you're free also on a Saturday night, no, 8 p.m. Samahan nyo kami to share the opportunity of reselling on Amazon Filipinos. And did you know that last year, Amazon was aggressively looking for more sellers in the Philippines? Ayan. Meron ngang Amazon dito no, sa Philippines. Ayan. So, they provided discount, heavy discount sa mga professional selling plans last year. And the promo already ended. Pero the promo was $1 per month lang. Hindi. $1 for the whole 6 months. For the first 6 months of you selling on Amazon na professional selling plan. So, yes, there are 2 sellings kasi na available kay Amazon. It is free to sign up. No? Free lang mag-sign up. Also take around 15 minutes na mag-fill out ng online form. As long as you have all the credentials, all the documents that are required. And so, when you choose the professional selling plan, initially you will be charged $39.99. So, yun yung monthly selling plan. No, monthly selling fee, parang monthly subscription ng professional selling plan. And it will allow you to access to more categories, add additional users to your account. There are certain perks din. I guess iba-iba per batch, and one of those benefits would be having a dedicated account manager for you, no, Amazon account manager for you that you can reach out to. Yan yung mga kasama sa professional selling plan. Don't want to pay for the monthly subscription fee. There's also other selling plan called the individual selling plan, wherein ang fee Amazon babayaran natin per unit na benta. Let's say, one benta kang isa, sa kanila babawasan ng 0.99 cents. So, actually, pag naka 40 units na 40 orders, no, na tigpo 0.99, essentially medyo mas sulit na yung professional selling plan, no, at 39.9. But yes, for an individual selling plan, walang monthly subscription fee. Going back dun sa sasabi ko about the prep center, so dahil nga online ang galawan natin kapag tayo ay magbebenta kay Amazon, So, hindi mo na kailangan hawakan yung produkto, hindi mo na siya makikita. Puwedeng, your prep center, a warehouse, third-party logistics na warehouse in the US, siya na yung magre-receive ng products mo from the online store. Like, for example, unang pumasok sa isip ko, halimbawa, Walmart. If you buy a certain product from Walmart, which is a famous retail store, no? A chain of retail store in the US, kapag meron kang in order from Walmart, papadala mo siya sa prep center, and then the prep center will receive the products, count them, tignan yung condition ng products nung na-receive, kapareho ba siya ng ine-expect mong product, yung quantity, yung condition, okay ba yung packaging and everything na yung mga ganyan. Ano yung expiration, ano expiration date niyan, and they would take note of those. And if there's anything na pwedeng maging concern ka, the prep center would communicate with you as their client. And kung may kailangan ka i-return sa supplier mo, i-return kay Walmart, or kulang, so you need the refund from Walmart or mga ganyan, the prep center could coordinate with you regarding those kind of things. And then, the prep center, if you give the go signal na isend na kay Amazon, so they could label na yung products ninyo, label and pack them according to the standards of Amazon. For example, kung kailangan niya ng naka-polybag, they will put it in polybags. If they need, if your product needs bubble wrapping, so they will do that for you. So, ang tawag doon, prepping. I don't know, basta ipe-prep yung products. And kasama doon yung labeling and packing, ganyan. And then, they will put them into one box. In that box, kahit iba-ibang products nandun, let's say, 5 types of products na, let's say, tig-4, tig-6, tig-10, or as long as kasha dun sa box na yun, and sila na bahala dun, send nila kay Amazon. And then, pagdating kay Amazon, once active na yung listing mo, hintayin mo na lang siyang bumenta. And yun nga yung mga products na nagtingin na tayo ng data niya in the past. So, we are knowledgeable and we are informed about how this certain product is already performing in Amazon. Dahil doon, you made the purchase decision na, okay, dadalhin natin to kay Amazon kasi mukhang maganda siya, mukhang mabenta siya based on this data that we are seeing. So, there are different tools that we use, and marami ring free, no? Marami ring free Chrome extensions na ginagamit. At isa ang Keepa, which is Keepa. So if you want to research on that, Keepa, it's a software that shows the selling history of a certain product na nasa Amazon. So somehow you get an informed, you're making an informed decision. You're making an informed decision. You're basing your decision to sell this specific product based on numbers, based on past trends, based on the selling history of that product. Hindi ka nang huhula dahil lang gusto mo yung product na yun, or nakuha mo siya ng sale, and it might not be enough, no? So we're trying to look for products that already have decent selling velocity. Let's say, fast selling siya, mas marami yung demand sa kanya compared sa current status ng mga stock levels, no, ng mga competitors, and various things. Medyo maraming check items, but if you want to know more, I'm inviting everyone to attend. Sign up for a free webinar. Topic natin this Saturday is about online arbitrage. It will be headed by Coach Alva. And yes, mas detailed, mas visual pa yung pag-usapan natin this Saturday. And yun. And before I end this live, I guess, patapos na tayo, wala na namang mga questions. So, ano yung mga requirements? may question pala dito. Sino to? Si In Monty. DPM is the Dollar Profit Mastery na course namin. Teaching yung online arbitrage. OA is the online arbitrage. Yeah. So, yun. Hi, In, Molly, and do you have any other questions? Ayan, kung interested ka sa online arbitrage, ayan, I'm inviting you to register sa amazenation.com to watch and join our free webinar. So, it's an interactive webinar. You can also ask what's in there. And, yeah, marami tayong mapapag-usapan on Saturday. I hope you have 1 hour, 1.5 hour, perhaps, maximum of your free time to spend with us, and let's learn more about online arbitrage sa free webinar na yun. Ayan, so ano yung mga requirements sa pag-sign up kay Amazon as a seller? You need a proof of identity, whether a passport or a driver's license. So sa driver's license, dapat card type, and syempre dapat passport and credit card ay valid pareho. Driver's license ay valid pareho. You also need a credit card actually. So, at the start, pwedeng hindi pa siguro yung i-enroll mo na card on file, no? There a field there for the account holder and the account billing address, no, for that credit card. Pero hindi naman na hindi sa'yo. Ayan, pwede kang manghiram. Ayan, sa part na yun. Ayan. Pero syempre, since you will be doing a business, you will be buying from online sources, your own credit. And during the registration, sabi ni Amazon, allowed ang debit card. Although, mas successful agad kung credit card. But kung debit card, as long as the international transactions are enabled by your bank at hindi nire-reject ng bank mo, so it could also work. Pero mas madaling ma-approve kung in one go ay credit card yung ilagay. Ayan, so again, you need a proof of ID, whether a passport or a driver's license. Hindi naman kailangan pareho, or lang siya. Ayan. Ayan ba? Ayan. And then, dapat syempre malinaw yung pagkaka-picture mo sa kanila. Ayan. And then, you also need a valid email address. So, pwede namang Gmail lang yan. Okay lang yan. A valid phone number. You will need one-time PIN to input, kapag nag-sign up ka. Yan. And then, you need a bank statement or a credit card statement. Or if you have an existing Payoneer account, Payoneer statement. Yan. So, yan yung mga requirements na during sign up ay hihingin sa'yo. Yan. And of course, kung ano man yung mga naka-reflect na name and address sa mga documents mo, dapat yun din yung itatype mo na name and address mo. Yan. So, yun yung mga requirements, and more will be discussed sa ating webinar on Saturday. So, again, this is Kay. I'm from the Dollar Profit Mastery team that gives you the DPM course, Dollar Profit Mastery course, and the Wholesale Profit Accelerator. So, I guess pahabol na lang, Ayun nga. Sa online arbitrage na focus na course, yung Dollar Profit Mastery. And then, yung Wholesale Profit Accelerator, ayan, wholesale, the business model naman yung focus niya. Ayan, so, and again, if you want to know more about the online arbitrage reselling business model, ayan, I would like to invite you this Saturday, 8 p.m. Manila time. Just go to amazenation.com to register. I-type na nga natin yung link. Ayan, so you have roughly 2 days to register, And, ayan. So, see you there. And again, follow this page, Amaze Nation, at mag-follow kayo para every once in a while, if you have questions, ayan, you can visit the live and we will answer them live. Yan. So, I guess that's it. Wala na questions both in the Facebook and YouTube communities. And this is Kay, and see you again next week.